In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell crypto using the Revolut app. If this guide helps you out, make sure to hit subscribe and drop a thumbs up. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account using the affiliate link in the description below. Selling crypto with Revolut is super easy and quick. It lets you manage both your crypto and regular money in one place. Plus, it keeps your transactions secure and your assets safe. Here's how to get started. First, open up the Revolut app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the top left corner where your profile name is. That'll take you to your profile page. Scroll down and look for the Appearance option and tap on it. Then, you'll see something called Interface. Tap on that, and on the next screen, you'll find the Crypto tab toggle. Flip it on to add the Crypto section to your home page. Now, head back to the main screen, and you'll spot the Crypto tab at the bottom. Tap on that, and you can see all the purchased crypto coins you have. If you want to sell any, just select that. For example, let's select Bitcoin. The app will open the Bitcoin chart where you can see both buy and sell options. When you're ready to sell, hit the Sell button at the bottom. Enter how much Bitcoin you want to sell, pick your payment method, and then click Confirm Order to complete your sale. You can always go back to the home page to see that your Bitcoin is sold. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And remember, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.